Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with the 2-minute drill, here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. And what a week of trading it was, what a month of trading it was. I do this every week, once a week. I'm going to start doing it every Wednesday because we do our weekly Wednesday webinar going over our full week of trading with our members every Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern. So if you're not a member, make sure to check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com to get the full in-depth detail of why we bought these stocks and why we profited from them. But here is a quick 2-minute drill to overview the week and the last trading week of November. It was another green week in the books for the snipers, making that only one red week all 2020. 2020 has been a crazy year for a lot of people out there, but for the snipers, we were able to keep it consistent and consistently profit every single week from Monday to Monday, besides 1 week all 2020, and we only have 1 month remaining, so very exciting and very cool stat to have. This week was another amazing week, making a total of $1,336 on only 3 trades. So a slower week, but if you do remember, it was Thanksgiving and we did have Thursday off, but a very, very effective week, even though it was a holiday break. And in the overall markets, we broke a record. We officially bounced from those lows of the coronavirus, and the Dow Jones crossed 30,000 for the first time ever. So shout out America. It's amazing to see the bounce and all of us to come together for a recovery in this country. But in Sniperville, the profit did not stop. And usually on holiday weeks, it tends to be slow. But it actually was very hot in OTC land, our favorite spot. 3 emerging sectors popped up, and when sectors get hot, we take advantage of them. That's the cannabis sector, the Bitcoin sector, and the energy battery sector that is popping up with Tesla. So there's no better place to start this review week than the electric sector and OTC penny stock, ADOM. The stock has gone crazy lately, and usually whatever comes up must come down, and we were able to take advantage of this panic dip buy here as it came down to the 49-cent area, where we bought it because we liked that support of 50, looking for a bounce, and it bounced quickly all the way back to 53 in a couple minutes, where we took our profit in 5 minutes, making $372. The next one we're going to go over is a slower moving OTC stock, but one that was lining up with one of our patterns, and that is a 52-week breakout. We like the way that this was breaking all-time highs and holding that $4 area towards the end of the day, so we bought it when it was creeping back above 420, looking for it to continue the next day. And with the name of the stock being Very Good Foods and us taking it over Thanksgiving break, we thought maybe we'd get some momentum on the stock, but it did not go anywhere, and we're not here to hang around or go long term in these stocks, so we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting losses and got out instantly when it was not gapping up at 419, only losing 2 cents and not even 0.5% on the stock. And that's what you call cutting your losses. And to cap this week off, why we stick with the sniper strategy and stay consistent with our plan is because this stock was actually the same exact pattern as VRYYF, a 52-week breakout, but it worked out. So when one doesn't work out, we lost $30, but when it did work out, we made $1,000. And that's why we do this game, sticking with the rules of cutting losses and sticking to the patterns. This is a 52-week breakout on OTC penny stock, TSNP. We like the way it had a crazy run, then consolidated for a little bit, and came back up towards 52-week highs where we had to be a part of it, so we slammed TSNP and we joined the party as it gapped up the next day and pushed like crazy, but we took the meat of the move because that's what you want to do here. And we took the stock overnight from 2.8 with the gap up above 3 all the way to 3.5, making a total of 25% on your money and just about $1,000. Now, if you put $1,000 in, you make $250. If you put $2,000 in, you make 500. If you put 4,000, you make 1,000. So this journey is up to you. You can make as much as you possibly cap yourself out to. That's the best thing about this game. But we made ourselves $1,000 and the stock continued to rise. That's the beautiful thing about OTC land. But always take the bag and don't be shy to move on to the next one. Alright guys, another great week in the books. Another green one. Make sure to check us out on social media if you have not yet. We have great content that we post daily. All great sniper updates are on there. Also, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you're missing out on great sniper updates, great bags, profits to be made every day. Check us out. Hit the subscribe button down below. I do this once a week. Stock Sniper Nick goes over a weekly webinar every Tuesday, and Stock Sniper Alex is here to give you guys daily tips every single week. And if you don't follow us on Profitly, make sure to go check us out here. You can see every single one of our trades. Some people think we're lying. Well, here you go. Go check us out. Profitly, PRFIT.LY, under the Stock Snipers. Our whole journey, we have 1,700 trades now, so make sure to go check that out. Go look, we're just crossing over 144,000. The journey is just the beginning too. So keep watching, join, follow us, Profitly Stock Snipers. And last but not least, like I said at the beginning, we have a full team of traders doing this all together, profiting, making bags all together. It's where you want to be if you're at the beginning of your career or if you're an advanced trader. It's a fun community. Make sure to check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. It's not about just making money. It's a family type vibe. Everybody seems to get to know each other and have a good time in there. So if you are not part of the team, we'd love to have you. We have some great stuff coming out at the end of this year and the prices are going to be going up. So be ready for that. But hope to see you guys in the chat soon. Alright guys, like I said before, another green week in the books. Let's keep it consistent and close it out with 4 more green weeks to close out this crazy 2020 year. Stock Sniper Mike, out!